Cinnamon challenge. Sebi,
Man,
me, my little brother. Alright, let's do this. Good angle,
Alright, I got a spoonful of cinnamon.
I guess. Alright, get everyone a spoon. Alright, watch out.
Here's my spoon.
Okay, alright, this one goes like this.
Do it equal to me then. Just press it. Just press it. Squeeze it. Nah, more. Make like
I'll
pussy.
hold.
Alright, then I get this glass. You gotta fill your own.
Oh, damn.
Squeeze it,
First
Kuba.
class.
Look,
Stop I doing.
squeeze it.
Sebi, he is 9, and he did get 4 than us last round.
Oh, look how much he
Kuba,
has.
no, get more. That's bullshit.
I'll pour it. Mikolai will tell me.
That's it. That's it.
I'm trying to beat that. Alright.
Wait, whoever holds it in their mouth longer?
Alright,
We're doing it whoever holds it
You
in
have
their
to
mouth
swallow.
longer?
ready,
I'm not swallowing.
That's the point.
ready, set, go. One down. One down, one to go. Ah! 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 One down! Ah! Oh! Hey!
Shut up. I will throw up.
Ah! Ah!
Never again. I almost threw up.
I won. Cinnamon just came out my nose.
Oh shit, we're recording.
Oh. Oh my god. My phone died during the recording.
Oh, fuck.
That's why.
That's how you do the cinnamon challenge.
Oh.